Hi everyone. I have a special announcement. We have an upcoming workshop being held in Maryborough. It will be held at the Deaf Connect office here. We have a person travelling up from Brisbane to talk about POA, which is the acronym for Power of Attorney. We will also be covering some topics related to elder abuse. The reason for this workshop is to empower you so you can understand your rights and know what your future holds. We will have some snacks here for you to enjoy. It will be an interpreted event and it is for free for our community. It will be held on Wednesday, the 23rd of October. It will begin at 10 a.m. and finish at 12:30. If you could please email me at erin.harris@deafconnect.org.au, your RSVP, or contact the Community Access phone number on 0438 384 360. If you can let us know for catering purposes and for adequate seating. We're excited to see you there. Bye.